yang mengabdi pada kemajuan, kenyamanan, dan kesejahteraan bangsa-bangsanya.
Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump kembali mengklaim Iran sangat ingin membuat kesepakatan untuk berdamai. Dia menyebut Iran mau bersepakat karena militernya telah hancur. Menjawab pertanyaan wartawan di Washington DC, Donald Trump bilang angkatan bersenjata Iran sudah 82% hancur. Karena itu, para pemimpin Iran sangat ingin segera membuat kesepakatan. Namun, menurut Trump, kesepakatan sulit dicapai karena para pemimpin Iran pun terbelah.
Military operation, I don't call it a war. I'd rather have a military operation. We're really, Iran is dying to make a deal. I can only tell you that. I don't want to get into it, but they cannot be nuclear. Other than that, but their Navy's gone, their Air Force is gone. Every ounce of any form of equipment practically is gone. You know, their drone factories are about 82% down. And their missile factories are almost 90% down, and many of the missiles have been knocked out.
Berita utama akan kembali usai jeda, saudara, dengan informasi gara-gara usulan kenaikan golongan tak disetujui atasan, seorang ASN membakar kantor Dinas Perhubungan Kepulauan Bangka Belitung.